The Great Pyramids of Giza, particularly those that have endured the ages, stand as symbols of ancient engineering marvels. However, in the context of ancient Egyptian civilization, they were far more than mere tombs for the pharaohs. These monumental structures were vessels of cosmic consciousness, designed to resonate with the vibrational frequencies of the universe and guide humanity toward enlightenment. The pyramid's intricate design and the Egyptians' advanced spiritual knowledge suggest a purpose far beyond the material world, pointing to a sophisticated mechanism intended to align with celestial forces and harness the spiritual energy permeating the cosmos. These structures were intentionally constructed as conduits to synchronize humanity with the deeper spiritual dimensions of existence, bringing it into harmony with the universe's cosmic vibrations. At the heart of the pyramid's purpose lies their connection to the stars, to the vast expanse of the universe. The Great Pyramid of Giza is famously aligned with extraordinary precision to the cardinal points, with its apex pointing directly to the celestial north. The three main pyramids on the Giza Plateau are also aligned with the stars of Orion's belt, a constellation that held profound significance in ancient Egyptian cosmology. The ancient Egyptians believed that the gods resided in the heavens, and Orion, in particular, was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife, resurrection, and the cyclical forces of nature. This celestial alignment reflects the Egyptians' sophisticated understanding of the cosmos, suggesting the pyramids were designed as cosmic machines to bridge the earthly and divine realms. For the ancient Egyptians, the cosmos was not a distant, abstract concept but an active participant in their everyday lives. They understood that the universe was filled with energy, cosmic and spiritual energies, that influenced the world around them. The pyramids, with their precise engineering and intricate geometric design, were not built simply to house the dead or mark the final resting places of pharaohs. They were constructed with an awareness of these energies, designed not just to symbolize the pharaoh's journey into the afterlife, but to actively engage with the spiritual and energetic forces that govern the universe, functioning as sophisticated instruments for cosmic interaction. The alignment of the pyramids with the stars of Orion's belt was not accidental. This precise orientation reflects the Egyptians' advanced spiritual knowledge, which viewed the stars as a source of divine energy. The pyramids were intended to facilitate a connection between the Earth and the cosmos, acting as cosmic antennas that could tune into the spiritual frequencies emanating from the stars. Their intricate design, rooted in mathematical precision, suggests they were engineered to serve as more than symbolic structures, potentially as machines capable of channeling celestial energies to elevate human consciousness. The pyramid's appearance and function further suggest they were engineered as machines to aid spiritual enlightenment. Far from being mere stone monuments, their precise angles, polished surfaces, and internal chambers resemble the components of a sophisticated device. The smooth, reflective casing stones, now mostly gone, would have made the pyramids gleam under the sun, evoking a sense of otherworldly purpose. The internal passageways and chambers, designed with exacting precision, seem less like burial vaults and more like resonant circuits, possibly intended to amplify spiritual energies. This machine-like quality, combined with the Egyptians' advanced understanding of cosmic and earthly energies, suggests the pyramids were constructed to facilitate transformative spiritual experiences, guiding individuals toward higher states of consciousness. The very dimensions of the Great Pyramid of Giza are believed to reflect the sacred proportions that govern the cosmos. The height and base of the pyramid are in precise proportion to the Earth's radius and circumference. This alignment, combined with the precision of its construction, suggests that the pyramid was designed not just as a monumental structure, but as a resonator, capable of amplifying and transmitting specific frequencies. These frequencies, it is believed, could have been used to elevate human consciousness, attuning the inhabitants of the Earth to the natural rhythms of the universe through a machine-like mechanism rooted in advanced engineering. The energy of the pyramids was not just theoretical, it was thought to have a practical impact on the human experience. The placement of the pyramids at key geomagnetic points on Earth is significant. The ancient Egyptians were keenly aware of the Earth's energetic fields and the geomagnetic energy streams, natural flows of energy through the Earth, that interact with the environment. The pyramids were constructed at locations where these energy streams were particularly strong. This placement suggests that the pyramids were designed to interact with these natural forces, amplifying and broadcasting them in a way that could influence human consciousness, further reinforcing their role as sophisticated energy machines. But how did the pyramids serve as instruments for spiritual enlightenment and consciousness elevation? The ancient Egyptians had a deep understanding of vibrational frequencies and the power of sound. The pyramids were believed to resonate with certain frequencies that could facilitate altered states of consciousness. These frequencies, in turn, could be used to facilitate meditation, contemplation, and spiritual awakening. Some theorists suggest that the pyramids, especially the Great Pyramid of Giza, may have functioned as frequency generators. The pyramid's internal chambers, including the king's chamber and the queen's chamber, were designed with specific acoustic properties that could amplify sound and create particular resonant frequencies, suggesting a machine-like precision in their spiritual purpose. When sound waves resonate at specific frequencies, they can alter the state of the brain and body, leading to a heightened sense of awareness and spiritual connection. It is possible that the ancient Egyptians used the pyramids to create an environment where these frequencies could be harnessed to unlock higher states of consciousness. This connection between sound, frequency, and consciousness is an idea that is still being explored today. It is believed that certain frequencies can open the mind to higher dimensions of reality, allowing individuals to connect with divine forces and access spiritual knowledge through the pyramid's sophisticated design. The process of aligning human consciousness with cosmic frequencies may have been central to the rituals performed within the pyramid. It is believed that the priests of ancient Egypt, particularly those working in the pyramid temples, were trained in the use of sound, geometry, and sacred knowledge to guide individuals through spiritual journeys. These journeys, facilitated by the pyramid's machine-like properties, would have been designed to elevate the consciousness of the initiate, allowing them to access higher planes of existence and tap into the wisdom of the cosmos. This could have been part of the broader spiritual practices of the time, intended to align the individual with the universe's natural order. One of the key elements in this process was the concept of the all-seeing eye, a symbol associated with spiritual insight and cosmic knowledge. The all-seeing eye, often represented as an eye within a pyramid, is thought to represent the awakening of spiritual vision and enlightenment. In the context of the pyramids, the all-seeing eye could symbolize the connection between the physical and spiritual realms, where the eye represents the ability to see beyond the material world and access higher states of consciousness. The ancient Egyptians may have used this symbol to reflect the pyramid's role as sophisticated tools for unlocking spiritual potential. The all-seeing eye, with its placement within the pyramid, suggests that the pyramid itself was a mechanism for unlocking spiritual sight. The symbolism of the eye within the pyramid could be interpreted as a representation of the pyramid's ability to reveal hidden truths, awaken spiritual insight, and guide the individual toward enlightenment. It is possible that those who entered the pyramid were meant to undergo a process of spiritual awakening, where they would move beyond their limited perception of reality and begin to perceive the universe as it truly is, a vast, interconnected network of energy, vibration, and consciousness, facilitated by the pyramid's intricate design. This idea of the pyramid as a tool for spiritual awakening aligns with the broader purpose of the pyramids as cosmic frequency generators. By attuning the human mind and body to the frequencies of the cosmos, the pyramids could have been used to facilitate a deeper understanding of the universe and humanity's place within it. The ancient Egyptians, with their advanced knowledge of the natural world and their spiritual practices, may have constructed the pyramids as instruments for guiding humanity toward enlightenment helping individuals align themselves with the universe's vibrational energies and experience higher states of consciousness through a machine-like system of cosmic resonance. The pyramids were not just tombs or monuments to the dead. They were spiritual machines, cosmic resonators designed to awaken humanity's latent spiritual potential. Through their geometric precision, celestial alignment, and interaction with the Earth's geomagnetic energy streams, the pyramids may have been intended as instruments for transcendence, engineered to guide humanity on a path toward enlightenment. Their true purpose, it seems, was not just to honor the pharaohs, but to serve as enduring symbols of humanity's connection to the cosmos and the divine. These grand structures were built with a profound understanding of the universe's energies and served as cosmic beacons, calling humanity toward a higher state of consciousness and spiritual awakening. As we look to the pyramids today, we can see them not just as ancient relics, but as enduring symbols of our potential to reconnect with the universe's spiritual energies, to elevate our consciousness, and to move toward a deeper understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. The pyramids stand as a reminder that the ancient Egyptians were not just concerned with the physical world, but were deeply attuned to the metaphysical, to the spiritual, and to the unseen forces that govern the universe. Their intricate designs and advanced spiritual knowledge point to a sophisticated purpose, akin to a machine designed to bridge the earthly and divine. The question remains: are we, too, ready to awaken to the cosmic frequencies that surround us and embark on a journey of spiritual transcendence?